Today we're going to talk about departure timers, how to charge your vehicle at certain times during the night, and also how to precondition your vehicle for departure. Let's take a look. All right, let's select our charging icon here. Now, if we had our charging equipment connected, it would show up here. We're going to go to pre-cool and heat first. Now let's check this out. You have a temperature in which it will pre-cool and heat to. Highly suggest 72 degrees. It's nice and cool when it's hot outside, and it's of course nice and warm when it's cold. You also have seat climate control. Now you can adjust this from everybody in the car, or maybe it's just you as a driver. Finally, you have pre-cool and heat with remote unlocking. Now what this does is if you unlock your vehicle as you're coming up to it, it will begin the pre-cool or preheating process. Another way to jump straight to that is this pre-cool and heat button as well. Say you get in the car and right away you would like to get it up to temperature, you can select the pre-cool or heat button there. All right, so we've set up our pre-cooling and heating. That's going to come up in just a second with our departure timers. So we're going to add a new timer. And so what a departure timer is it's setting a time in which the car will be ready for you to leave. So let's take a look. Add a new timer. As you can see here, you can pre-cool or heat for that departure based on your previous settings that we just went over. Let's talk about our departure time. So tomorrow morning, we'll leave at about 8 a.m. And Thursday is tomorrow, so we're all set there. And then you can recap if you want to. What this allows you to do is choose which days that you would like to have that departure timer. We won't be traveling on Saturday or Sunday, so there you go. That's during the week. And if you notice here, once you select this, that will rule out the fact that it's happening on just the next day there. So let's go back here. Now let's go to advanced settings. And so this is really good if you need to charge at a very specific time of night. Some power companies offer discounted charging rates in the middle of the night, so to say, like here in Georgia. So what you need to do is go from optimized charging to manual. Then you can select the preferred charging time. Here in Georgia, 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. is a great time to charge your electric vehicle. You can also save the location, i.e. if you're charging at home. And there we go. After you get done, you'll notice that it is already checked and active. If you would like to deactivate that, all you've got to do is remove that checkbox. In addition to that, you may want to adjust your state of charge at departure. It's really good to stay between 20 and 85%. That's a really good range for the battery to live within. You'll want to drive it all the way down to 20 and only plug in when you need it. If, however, you're going on a road trip and you need to use all of the battery, you can adjust the state of charge here by just dragging and moving this particular line to adjust your target charge. This will allow you to utilize 100% of the battery capacity as you begin a long road trip. You can now set your target charge, set a departure timer, charge at a certain time of night, and pre-cool and heat your new Taycan.